Thank you. Yung binanggit ni Senator Lacson, pasok yun doon sa proposal ko na government should buy 50% of all the output of all farmers in the country. If they do that, I'm sure matindi ng bilang sa impact on agricultural modernization, pati sa industrialization makikinabang. Anyway, as far as I'm concerned, I will push for declaring illegal fake news and fake content. Kailangan pag-aralan natin kung paano natin magagawa yan. Sapagkat meron pang international impact yan. Pero masama ang nagiging epekto sa atin lalo na pati sa mga kabataan. And then, the right-sizing of government. We're bloated. 65% of the budget of 6.3 trillion goes to personal services. Kailangan i-streamline natin, i-right-size natin na. Yung right-sizing na yan, pasok doon sa isang propose ko, which is to incorporate the Dangerous Drugs Board and the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency that I created into one Presidential Drug Enforcement Authority, wherein the correct way of addressing the problem of illegal drugs and drug abuse is addressed. You know, those are two different animals. Illegal drugs is different from drug abuse, and that has been the problem of the other administrations. So in this next 4 years, hopefully, by incorporating both, then illegal drugs can be addressed by prosecution and enforcement, but drug abuse can be addressed by prevention and rehabilitation. So that is the authority that I would want to create. Pag-aralan mo na yan after 12 years na napasa namin yung batas natin ng 1965. Alright, thank you.
Salamat po, Senator Soto.